Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a leveling leg on your refrigerator, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the base grille. Pull the base grille forward to remove. Lift and support the side of the appliance you're replacing the leg on. You can now unthread the old leg. Install the new leveling leg by threading it into the bracket. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Rotate the leveling legs clockwise to ensure that both brake feet are in contact with the floor. You can use a 1/4-inch socket or wrench to do this. Snap the base grille into place. Rethread the screws to secure the base grille.